Last class we started doing synopsis only. In that synopsis continuation, methods of differentiation related to that parametric, also related with the chain rule. After that, inverse trigonometric functions, how to differentiate their methods, means solution oriented and formula. With that there will be so many problems. Okay, combination of inverse trigonometric functions with algebraic functions, exponential, logarithmic, everything. Suppose example, if I ask sin inverse of log x, you must be ready with the formula. What is that formula for sin inverse? Sin inverse x result 1 by root of, in the place of x, suppose f of x. Sin inverse f of x, how to differentiate? 1 by root 1 minus f of x whole square multiplied by f derivative f dash. This is our rule. All inverse 6 functions will be in the same fashion. Here I gave general rule f of x. You take any f of x, whatever it is. What is possible here? X square 1 by x root x x power n e power x a power x log x, everything. Here I write f of x is log x. There is a reason why I wrote this one. It's because we need logarithm basics also. 1 by root of 1 minus log x whole square cannot be 2 log x multiplied by log x derivative. This is the rule, method to write combination of inverse functions with any other. Sometimes there is a chance of e power sin inverse x. Very good. In the form of e power x. What is e power x derivative? Same only, multiplied by 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Right? A power log of cos inverse x. These are all varieties of combinations only. Practice as much as possible. You will be perfect with all the results. So a power x derivative, a power x into log a, completed first function, multiplied. What is second function? Log x, 1 by x, completed. What is third function? Cos inverse x, derivative minus 1 by root of 1 minus. All these stories you should practice. Don't expect I will write simple examples for you, 20 problems in the class. Okay. I gave you origin. You should continue the chain. You have to go step by step with your own practice. Your practice also I cannot do in the class. I can do subject. Your practice is with you. Okay. So, like that there are so many varieties of problems. Next, after this inverse trigonometric functions, most powerful and very important guarantee in all exams. What is that? Logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic differentiation. That is, when a function, power function is given, how to write derivative. What is the working rule? Okay, see, now I am writing the unit differentiation of function power function. such type of problems. What is that rule? Differentiation by means of using logarithm. What is implied? Very important. I already gave you here. Base is a function. Power is also a function. Actually, you know in the beginning, base is a function, power is constant. Purely constant number. How to differentiate? 3 sin square x into sin x derivative. Next. Base is a constant, power is a function. This is in the form of x power n. So we know that. This is in the form of a power x. What is a power x derivative? A power x log a. Like that. Here 3 power sin x into log 3. Base I am not writing. Throughout calculus understood it is for 3 base. E. Base is E. Okay? Next. What is extra? Still it is not finished. Only we wrote about first function rule. Now what is their second function now? Sin x into d by dx of sin x is a cos x. This is what we know extra. Okay, like that. But here, other than these two, base is a function, power is also function. Okay, that rule I am writing first general rule. That is your even for revision for PUC. F of x power g of x. First step, taking log on both sides. Apply log both sides. Log of y, log fx power gx, power rule in logarithm will come to product g of x into log of f of x. This is your problem converted into ordinary product rule in the differentiation. Actual problem is function power function, we cannot write directly differentiation derivative. That is converted into ordinary product u into v. Now you can differentiate on both sides. What you will get left side? Log derivative 1 by y. Y derivative dy by dx. Left hand side completed. Okay. Right hand side how you will do? UV rule. UV rule is u into v dash, v into u dash. Hence therefore g of x multiplied 1 by f of x into f dash x plus log f of x multiplied g derivative. RHS also complete, but total solution is not finished. What to do? You can do anything else. We need only dy by dx. Y cross multiply. Then g of x into f dash x by f of x. G dash x into log of f of x. What is next? Solution as per rule of differentiation, method of differentiation is finished. as per the answer is concerned, still one more step ahead. What is that? Y. Why this Y is present? Huh? We have to remove that Y. Because we started doing Y. Then Fx power gx multiplied everything. This is the general rule of doing differentiation of a function, power function, by taking logarithm. That is why this is actually called logarithmic differentiation. Okay. Now, suppose if I write here example, y is equal to sin x power tan x. Now, apply logarithm on both sides. Log y is equal to log of sin x power tan x. Step by step as it is I am writing. Then differentiating on both sides. Okay. Differentiate on both sides. Left side is common anyway. RHS rule tan x into 1 by sin x cos x. What is this called? Cot x tan x cancel it. Okay. Plus log of sin x into secant square x. Hence dy by dx is equal to y into 1 plus secant square x log sin x. Tan and cot cancel. What is y here? Answer is finished. This way of doing is called logarithmic differentiation. Okay, like that any example, you can do any example. Whenever you notice that the problem, function, power, function, only this is possible. Next. Actually, more examples you can do that in the class. I just am giving idea. Okay. You do that more models for your perfection only. That is right. Like these examples you can practice. I write here the practicing problems. Y is equal to x power log x. Log x power x. Log x power log x. These models I like because many times they gave in almost all other exams. Okay, log x power log x. Next, dangerous problem. Log of log x whole power log x. All are logging only. So many log are there. Okay, that is one. Next, cos x power cos x. Anything I will write. It is not a limit model in the textbook or any material. To that rule, any problem appears. Okay? Cos power cos. No problem. X power x. Already you have in textbook. With that there is one more extra. X power x 3 times. Too much. When there is a function repeated, then we have to apply log 2 times. Log of again. Then only you can do that. Okay? This is also very good model. Like that there are so many examples. Some of them I wrote here. In material you will see what can be done later when we start problems. But this way of doing is very important. Okay? But its extension I will do now. What is its extension meaning? Suppose instead of repeating 2 times and 3 times, now they will give you Problem is, now write down. This is very good result, sir. Y is equal to fx power fx power fx power fx power fx power. Completely so on going so on. I will go so on. Where I will go? Infinity. Okay. How many times it is going? So many times going so on. Does not imply you will apply infinite times logarithm. Since I told you that twice log you should do. Then such cases, a particular unit it is, particular concept. When a function is repeated infinitely. A function is repeated infinitely. Going so on up to your colony. Okay. Then observe here, starting is f of x and same f of x, next where it appears? From here. Okay. From here you remove that is called f of x power y. Okay. What is y here? This y only. You see now I will write in this place of y, I will write fx power y. What is this y? This y only. How I will write now? 2 times. Fx power, fx power, fx power, fx power y. 4. Next 8. Next 16. Doubles, so on infinitely. That is why I wrote. Now it looks like function power function. Now I am taking log on both sides. Log fx power y, which is y log of f of x. Then differentiate 1 by y dy by dx. Y into 1 by fx into f dash x plus log of f of x into dy by dx. Suddenly I am writing y1. We should know all alternate notations. So that I wrote dy by dx. Take all dy by dx one side. Common. Dy by dx into 1 by y minus log f of x equal to y into f dash x by f of x. Here left side still you can do something. After LCM, suppose y is there in denominator, dy by dx into 1 minus y log f of x by is y into what is next? You are getting answer only. Dy by dx equal to what? Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y square into f dash x by f of x into 1 minus y log of. Answer is finished, but very important danger. This is danger answer. Why we say it is dangerous answer? What is reason? What is reason? There is alternate answer. Duplicate answer is possible. This is first answer. Now you see. Suddenly they will change the answer. See that you are not sleeping in the exam. Alert, suppose they will go for duplicate. Dummy candidate. Dupe. In the cinema, hero fighting. Hero will not fight. Duplicate is fighting. Here this is hero. What is their dupe? Here. This is called dupe. What is y log f of x? Log y. Y square f dash x by fx into 1 minus. Suddenly this is possible. Suddenly this is possible. They will write problem like this. Y equal to, see, example, y equal to sin x power, sin x power, sin x power, sin x power. Therefore, infinite. What is here f of x? Sin x. What is the answer? First answer. This is fixed. Y square into f dash x. F of x. 1 minus y. Fixed. Log. What is f here? This is answer. Take this result as a direct formula to write the answer. Okay. Will be very useful result instead of doing total method. Next. Second answer. Y square. In the place of y log x, log y only. Blind. This is very important for you. Y square 1 minus log y fixed to any problem. Any problem. So I will write directly y square cos x by sin x into 1 minus log y. Finish. This is very best. Second problem I will write here. See, suppose y is equal to, you take any problem is therefore tan x power tan x. What is the answer? Divided here. I write second answer. I write second answer. Okay. What is second answer? Y square secant square x by tan x into 1 minus log y. Answer is finished. That is the reason. Second answer is very useful. Advantage. They can give anyone in the ABCD. Okay. Like that. When problem is repeated infinitely. If it is repeated either 3 times or 2 times, you have to do method as is only. Okay. Suppose x4, 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 x4. Now, what is f of x here? X. Then what is the answer? Y square. 1 only. X. Y square by x into 1 minus log y. Easy. See how best it is? You know the formula, but you don't know how to write answer quickly, very fast. That is important for you. Every student knows the result. How best you will give fastest, then it is good. Okay. That means you need more practice. And hence you have to start your practice slowly, one by one, so number of problems. Then only it is possible. So that is why I gave you this method. Only notice that one function only repeated infinitely, not different. Sin x power log, cos, tan, not like that. Impossible. That will not exist also. Okay? See, this is what important. This is also a formula. This is also a formula. In the synopsis, maybe there are not in books, but note down in the notes. You can do that. These are all different forms of logarithmic differentiation method. Okay. So, that is why I gave this one also here only. This is extension for logarithmic rule. Next. Next problem. Do this problem. Okay, it is there in the some books also. X power y is equal to y power x. Apply log. Directly I am writing. y1 common. y1 means divided by dx. This is there in your textbooks also. Already very fellows. You have to practice for PUC exam. For all PUC, this theoretical yesterday question. So here, dy by dx into y log x x log y minus y by x. What is the answer finally? dy by dx is equal to y into x log y minus y by x into y log x minus x. Answer is finished. One observation is there, I will tell you. Very important secret. Don't tell to anyone. Numerator, change x and y. You will get denominator. West fellow only. Correct? Interchange x and y. Denominator. Over. One answer. Second answer is there. Okay. 3 answers I will show you. In the place of x log y, I will write y log x. In the place of y log x, I will write x log y. What is next story? Y is common. What is denominator story? X is common. Answer is finished. This is second answer. This is first answer. Now I am giving you in mains. Some people are writing mains exam by mistake, suppose. Then you should know. Y square by x square into log of x by e by log of y by e. This one I will write log e. Log m minus log n. Log m by n. And hence x by e means third answer. Overaction, suppose. Advanced. Okay, too much overaction. This also will combine. Y square by x square log x by e base y by e. Too much. Okay. These are all overactions possible for in entrance exam that any duplicate answer. 4 answers I gave you. PUC, CET, mains, advanced, next not there. Okay? No other exam. If any other exam is there, I will do that. Okay? Like that you have got varieties of problems. This is a particular problem very important for SLA in PUC. It is there already in your exercise. As per objective, how they will go, varieties I am showing you. With that, suppose if you practice this type of models, next I will tell you one unit is there in synopsis wise. Last unit. With that unit I think we will finish concept oriented. Then we will start immediately problems from the material. Okay. Today's story is finished.